If you've just signed up for the JDB-NET FiveM Logging Server, this video will get you up and running in just a few minutes. Once your service has been provisioned, head to your JDB-NET dashboard and open your logging server subscription. Here you'll find your configuration snippet. This is what tells your FiveMServer where to send its logs. Copy this to your clipboard. Next, head over to your TXadmin panel and open the server.cfg editor. Scroll to the bottom of the file and paste the configuration snippet you just copied. Don't modify any of the values, they are pre-filled with your unique endpoint and credentials. Once that's saved, restart your FiveMServer. This will apply the new configuration and your server will begin shipping logs immediately. With the server back online, jump in and play for a few minutes to generate some log activity. The more you do in-game, connecting, dropping, and picking up items etc., the more you'll have to look at. Back in your JDB-NET dashboard, you'll find your Grafana URL along with your login credentials. Click the URL to open your Grafana instance. Log in with the credentials shown in your dashboard. Once you're in, this is your Grafana instance. It's fully managed and hosted by JDB-NET, so there's nothing to configure or maintain on your end. Everything is already set up and ready to go. Head to the dashboard section and you'll find the Simple Logs dashboard pre-installed and waiting for you. This gives you a real-time view of everything happening on your server, player connections, chat messages, script errors, transactions, and more, all searchable and filterable without ever having to dig through a raw log file. As you can see, the logs from our gameplay earlier are already coming through. You can filter by resource, search for specific players or events, and zoom into any time period you're interested in. One thing worth mentioning, if you'd like to connect your FiveM database to Grafana for even deeper insights into your server stats, that's fully supported. Head to the documentation on the JDB-NET website or open a support ticket and we'll get you set up. That's everything you need to get started with the JDB-NET FiveM Logging Server. If you have any questions or run into any issues, support is included with your subscription. Just open a ticket from your dashboard. Thanks for watching.